Hello guys, I am Keramettin Kutlu and I am studying at Konya Food and Agriculture University. In this video, we are going to talk about interface and inheritance in Java. Let's look at what is interface. An interface is a reference type that defines a contract of a method that a class must implement. It specifies a set of method signatures without providing any implementation details. Classes can implement one or multiple interfaces, providing constraint implementations for the methods defined in the interface. Interfaces facilitate loose coupling, allowing classes to interact through common behavior specified by interfaces rather than direct inheritance. Let's look at what is inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism where a class inherits properties and behaviors from another class, known as the superclass or parent class. Let's find out what is the difference between inheritance and interface. Inheritance focuses on the relationship between classes based on their hierarchical structure, while interfaces focus on defining contracts for classes to implement common behaviors, promoting code flexibility and modularity. Now I want to talk about what is pass by value and pass by reference. Pass by value is that any changes we made to the parameter within the function or method do not affect our original value outside by the function or method, but pass by references is that any changes we made to the parameter within the function or method affect the original value outside of the function of or method. We learned what is inheritance and interface. Let's write some codes and learn better. We have main method here. I want to start with interface example. Let's open a new class. Name byte animal. But it must be interface, of course. And the new class name is dog and another animal which is bird. Our interface is animal and we need to write some methods here. I want to write a public void animal sound. And I want to write public void animal food. Let's go to the dog class, and if we want to use interface, we need to write class public class dog implements animal. What we write here is animal, and we need to use this name. As you see here, we have an error. We need to implement methods. Here we say OK, and it override this method here, animal sound and animal food. We can write what we want here. Let's write system out line dog dogs dog says is how we can say, and as for food. We can say, let's go to the bird class and do same things like implements animal. We get the same error like dog class, and we need to implement it here, and we write what we want here as like dog class. Bird says, we can say, it is simple example as you see, and bird has to, we can say. Let's go back to our main class here and write our dog 1 equals to our new dog. We can use dog 1 animal sound and dog 1 animal food here, and we can say bird 1 equals to new bird, and like dog we will write same things. Let's execute, and what will execute these codes. As you see here, dog says how dog has 4 foot, bird says jig jig, and bird has 2 foot. As you see, we learned what is interface and how are we using interface in Java. Let's look at how we use inheritance. Yes, inheritance. We will open a new class. File, Java class, name is vehicle, and we will open again a new class which names car, and this one will be bike. Yes. In this vehicle class, we will write some codes, and we can use public with honk system out print line we can say like, and we can write we can say see this, and going to car class. And if we want to use this vehicle class, we need to write extends from vehicle. We will do it again here by class. Now we can write private string model name equals to like C200. Here we can use like private integer paddle equals to 2. We are going back to our main class here, and we will write car1 equals to new car, and we can say that car1 get front what we say it here. Yes, of course we need to write the out print line cars brand is yes, and what we wrote here, model name, we can use car here bottom name. Yes, I forgot to write this thing. Let's write honk. And we are going back to bike class. We wrote bike1 equals to new bike bike so honk. And system out print line bike has paddle. What issue we have here? Yes, and let's execute and see what will we have. As you see here, car's brand is Mercedes. What we wrote, this vehicle class and car 1 that honk also use here, and bike honk is worked here, like car and bike is work together here. And what we wrote in this class, pedal, and it's also worked here. In this video I tried to show what is interface and inheritance. I hope you understand. That's all. Thank you for listening to me. Hello guys,